Hi, hello, good evening, friends. Welcome, one and all, to the seventh session of Nifty Banker, India's first retail Bank Nifty Traders Conference. Friends, today we have Mr. Alchemist Gurumurthy from Chennai as a speaker in our session with his interesting session titled ATR based option ratio spreads. Friends, I have known Gurumurthy for almost like 4 years from now, from the past 4 years, more or less. Guruji, is it not? And
Yeah, yeah.
he is one of the senior most trader I know. He has been in the financial markets ever since 1991. I guess I was in fifth standard when he was trading. All right, that's close to about 20 years. Guruji's specialty comes with some of his simplest concepts and techniques and the most rugged, crude, and scientific way of teaching options with some amazing examples from physics, chemistry, and even biology. So, Guru has that special knack and technique to engage his audience. And I have also attended some of his sessions, which were quite thrilling. Sir, on behalf of the entire audience, it's my privilege to welcome you into the program today. And so thank you very much, Guruji. Now the
Yeah.
stage is yours. You can take off with your presentation. Thank you.
Thanks a ton, Ashok, for your good evening, friends. First of all, sorry that I had delayed by 10 minutes. Usually this doesn't happen, but this time it was an a short notice I had to connect today, so that's a delay. Let's start with a prayer of 2 minutes. Let's pray to the Almighty to get the best out of this training. Today it's Radha Saptami. The sun god takes a detour from south to north, which is a very auspicious day in Hindu mythology. Hope all our life, turns for good from today. सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् ॐ
Guruji, coincidentally, today is the birthday of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Yes, 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 yes.
So as
Great.
Indians, it's our privilege and it's our duty to remember that greatest hero Mother India ever produced.
Correct.
Go
Yeah,
ahead, Guruji.
yeah. So today we are going to talk about Bank Nifty weekly expiry, on which we take ratio spreads. Okay. This ratio spread is on based on ATR. Okay, the training is maybe it will be around only 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll give more time for you to ask questions. Maybe we'll add one more trick also for you to make money, because this training is going to be just 15 to 20 minutes time. Okay, it's very simple. You can start trading from coming Thursday immediately. Okay, so we have gone for historical data. Since last 6 to 7 years, we have taken historical data of Bank Nifty. This is basically fractals historical data of Bank Nifty movement from 12 to 3 p.m. on expiry day. Okay, so this is the first premise. So what we did was we took a data, what's the movement from 12 to 3. Okay, then we took into account 12 to 1, 12 to 2, then 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Sometimes we know we took many periods, within this 12 to 3. Okay, and we found, Bank Nifty moved 190 points between 12 and 3 p.m. since last 6 years. Okay, when the Bank Nifty was 7,000, average movement was 190. when the bank Nifty went up, to 10,000, 12,000, it went up, but average it is around 190. So it is very tough to, catch the top and bottom, right? So this strategy, I have named it as strategy 170. So we leave 10 points for the, bottom, we leave 10 points for the upside. Okay. So we take the position around 11:55 to 12 p.m. on expiry day. Okay, expecting 170 points movement. Okay. This is the second premise. So if Bank Nifty does 170 points movement before this 12 to 3, will we be profitable? Okay, so I'll tell you the last week's trade. Okay. So I gave ratio spread for 37,000 call, buy 37,000 call at 80 rupees, one lot. Then 36,400 PE. This call, this put. Two lots around 35. So your investment required is 80 plus 70. Around, this was actually 70. This was also 70. Okay. So 140, 145 was the, investment required. So the idea is, if Bank Nifty moves 170 points, the Bank Nifty was around 36,870 odd when I took this position. So we need to see plus 170, it will move to 37,040, right? So if it goes down, from 36,870, it will go to 36,700 minus, 170. If I put, it will go to 36,700. These are the two probabilities. It's a, without bias. If it goes up, I'll make money. If it comes down, I'll make money. Okay. Usually the puts are priced more, right? So the fear is more. So even the OTM put option was priced more. So as expected, Bank Nifty went up by 170 points. From 70 rupees, this call option made 140. 37,000 call made 140 odd. When 37,000 call made 140, 36,000 put made a low of 20. So my investment was around 145. Okay, I made a profit of around 160, which is 10%. Okay, so I told people to book profit in 37,000 call and hold 37,000, 38 to 36,400 PE with stop loss, 5-point stop loss. So this was profit was booked. For here, we have put stop loss at 15. You can put, whatever number. From 20 rupees, 30,400 PE made a high of 270 rupees. These two lots, right? Two lots means it's a 180 points. So here we asked to book profit in, call option and put 5-point stop loss for 30,400 PE. And 30,400 PE from 20 rupees made a high of 270 rupees and two lots. So what's the profit? 540 minus the cost of buy, right? 540 minus 70. This was the profit. So as usual, it is very tough to catch the, top and bottom. Even if you factor in 40%, you exited early, you made some mistakes. 40% of 60 650 is 390 points. You keep it 300 points. It's a big money. Many times, your stop loss will hit here. It had come to 20. If you put stop loss at 15, stop loss will hit. But you'll end up making, easily 15 to 20% profit within maybe half an hour, 1 hour time frame. So this is the ratio spread. We can have a few examples also. So even the day for yesterday, we went for this ratio spread. 36,500 call was priced 100 rupees. Okay, then 36,200 P was priced 35 rupees. Okay, your investment is 1 lot 100, 2 lots, your investment is 70. 30,200 P made a high of 100. Okay, so this is P, this is C. So 36,200 P made a high of 100. Even if you exited at 70 odd, it's 2 lots, it's 140 plus 35, 100 into lots, 200 rupees is your money. The other side became around 25 rupees or 26 rupees. So that was added to that. If you get, it will be around 226, was your profit. Your investment in 170, your return is almost 35 to 40%. And 30,500 call from around 26 rupees made a high of 190, 200 rupees. From 26, it made a high of 200 rupees, and your profit is 200 plus 426 is your profit. So again, deduct 40% from 426, 50% also will make around 200 points. Even if you had put stop loss at 20, your stop loss hits, your investment in 170, you got back 200, 210 rupees. So many people actually, want to put big money for hero year zero. Every week people expect hero year zero. So what I say is, don't, put your money in hero year zero and lose money. Use this strategy. Many times, you get one side giving you big return. So this is the crux of the Bank Nifty weekly expiry ATR based ratio spread. When I say ratio spread, you go for 1:2 ratio spread. 1 lot of call option, 2 lots of put option. Usually I take 1 lot call and 2 lots put, because put you need to take OTM. Call near ATM will be price less, and the puts usually will give you quicker money. Fear is a stronger emotion than greed. So even from 35 to 70, 80, if it becomes, you will recover your cost immediately. You will not lose money. So usually I go for 1:2 spread for with put as 2 and call as 1 usually.